complaining thing.
No. From that line to this line.
Good morning.
Hello. Who are you?
My name is Blazing. I moved in last week.
Okay.
I've not seen this place before.
Yeah, I stayed here.
Wow, you stay here.
Yes.
You know,
Can I help you?
I don't know. I need favor from you.
Okay. Like what kind of favor?
You know, since I packed in last week, I've not seen any handsome guy like this. And
Okay. So what's my help now? What can I do for you?
you know, since I packed in, nobody has touched me, and it's doing me somehow in my body. I don't know if you can just go in, you know. do, is that a yes? Eh? So we should go in.
Wow, that is a fine girl. Oh, I can handle you. Oh.
Wow.
So okay. Well, let's go to my house.
No. It's going to waste time now. Let's just go inside.
Hey.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, good. Yes, okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, that's good.
Yes, okay. Are we good?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's just do it.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? Oh my god! Hey! You dey use your function to play. You dey use your generation to play. You don't know why it's going on.
Jesus! No, come. No, there's no need for you to be afraid. Come close. Come closer. You people should come now. Come. Are you people aware that I saw everything?
You saw everything.
I'm just asking you the question. Are you people aware that I saw everything?
You saw everything.
I saw everything you people have been. So I need my own share.
You don't want to do that.
I need my own share, sir. Okay. So like how much is the thing? I do not need money. I need my own share. I want to collect my own. I want my own. 2 seconds. Not finish. I will not expose you people. So you want him to. There is nothing like you want him to. I want my own right now and here.
Bros, calm down. Give you your
What is there?
Give you your
Oh, yeah, I won't tell anybody.
Hope you not tell anybody.
I won't tell anybody.
Not tell anybody.
Yes, I will not tell anybody. Oh yeah, let's go. Guy, wait. You want follow? Guy, stand like this.
don't know.
Jesus! Problematic.
What type of plane is this?
Oh my God!
Hey!
You dey use your function to
So this is what you guys have been doing.
You have been recording us.
I don't video am now, go post am online. Nothing I want tell me.
Bring that phone call.
Problematic.